What's up guys, Viper here. Today I'm bringing you guys this new video. Finally got the front lip body kit, basically it's from Louvers, and I'm also gonna try to paint my my side skirts. I'm gonna mask it up, try to paint that, and also this white piece I'm gonna try to remove it, try to paint it, see how it looks in the car. Did get Louvers from Amazon, which is new, and I also got other stuff. It's gonna be, oh, I gotta clean that, kind of dirty. Got some things in this video. I'm not gonna spoil everything at the beginning, but you guys are gonna see how it looks. Unfortunately, I don't have anything to hold my phone, so you guys can't see how I'm gonna install it, but it's pretty straightforward. It's just 3M tape and screws under the bumper. So the reason I'm doing this is because the last video I showed you guys, somebody hit my bumper and they put a dent on both sides, this side and that side. So I'm gonna try to cover this with this body kit. Basically this body kit, it covers this whole part right here, and it goes, there's a cut right here. And so yeah guys, I'll be back. I'm gonna edit this video for you guys. You guys tell me what you think. Okay guys, so this is how it looks. So this part right is a 3-piece. So this part before this side is gonna cover this whole part right here. The middle piece is gonna go here, and that piece is gonna go right there. So I'm just gonna give you guys an overlook of how it's gonna look like. Hopefully it looks good. So yeah, give me guys the next video. Okay guys, so this is the final look of the front lip body kit for this current gen of Altimas. So yeah, it looks pretty sick, my opinion. So yeah, so like as I told you guys, this, it covers this whole part right here in the bottom, the front, and it has a side piece. Yeah, it covers the side piece. Also got the mirror covers, looks pretty sick. It's a carbon fiber lip. I got it from Amazon for like 45, I think 45 or 40 bucks. The side skirts looks okay, I would say. I did paint this part, but I didn't paint the back yet. But I did paint I followed the body line of the side skirt, and I just painted black. Right here looks a little bit crooked, gotta fix. But overall looks pretty good. Yeah, that's the train. But yeah, it looks pretty good. From the back, side view. This side looks way better, it looks way cleaner. I will fix the other side soon. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this video. I think it looks pretty sick, to be honest, in my opinion. It's another shot for you guys. Looks pretty sick from the side too. Yeah, it sticks out a little bit, not so much, but I think it looks really, really good. So yeah guys, thanks for tuning in. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.